Hey guys, welcome back. Today's recipe is one that is absolutely delicious. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So guys, before we jump into the recipe, like always, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Punch that notification bell. We are on the road to 500, so let's jump into the video. So guys, it's once again to scream, because I scream, you scream, we all scream for some more ice cream. Last time we showed you how to make mango ice cream with an ice cream maker, but today we're going to show you how to do it without one. So into a pan goes half a cup of milk, 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk, and 3.5 cups of heavy cream. Then we're going to give it a nice little whisk, and then take 1 tablespoon of vanilla custard powder and mix it with 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk and give it a nice little mix, and then add it into your base. Give a nice whisk, and then add in 1 teaspoon of crushed up saffron. Mix it into the rest of your base, and then what you want to do is you want to check the temperature in between. We want to turn off the heat when the base reaches a temperature of 175 degrees Fahrenheit or about 80 degrees Celsius. Once it reaches 175, we will turn off the heat and add in 1 teaspoon of agar and give it a nice little whisk. Then we're going to add in 1/4 cup of honey and give it another mix. Now, here's the secret to creamy and not icy ice cream. They don't want you to know this secret, but I do. Who is they? Don't worry about it. But you can let this base cool down to room temperature, and then what you're going to do is you're going to put it into the fridge for at least 6 hours. So it's going to be nice and cool before we start freezing it. Then after 6 hours, we're going to remove the base from the fridge and give it a nice little mix. And then what we're going to do is we're going to pour the base into a blender, and we're going to blend it for about a minute or so. Then we're going to pour the mix into a pre-chilled glass container and even it out a bit. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take this container and place it in the freezer for a few hours or until it sets up. Then we're going to remove it, blend it again, and then freeze overnight. So it's been about 4 to 5 hours, and what we're going to do is we're going to take the mix and we're going to blend it again. Blend it until it's nice and creamy, and then pour it back into the glass container, and now it goes into the freezer for overnight. And then tomorrow we're going to blend it again and add in our mix-ins. So in the morning, blend the mix one last time, and then throw in 1/4 cup to 1/3 cup of chopped almonds and pistachios. And now give it one final mix, and then back into the freezer it goes until it looks frozen, like you know how ice cream should be. And then here we have our final result. I know what you're thinking, man, Chef Curry, that looks so amazing and delicious, and you're right, it is. So try it out at home and let me know how it turns out. Meanwhile, I'm gonna go dig in. So guys, hope you enjoyed the recipe. Try it out at home, let me know how it tastes, and keep on cooking.